Hey everybody, it is Brandon Foster, the owner of Magic Land Vacations and Travel Planning Genies. You guys know by now, we love to help families like you save time, save stress, save hassle. Let's make those vacations so incredibly easy and create extra magic. Today, we are talking everything you need to know, all the things we love about the Hard Rock Hotel at Universal Orlando Resort, which, as you can see, I'm in my room right now. All right, so let's just be honest. Before I tell you to like and subscribe, okay, fine, go ahead, like and subscribe. This video is different than what we normally do because normally I like to go around in the entire resort hotel and show you all the different places. You're gonna see all the places, and I filmed myself at all the places, but it was so echoey and it was so loud. I was like, I really want people to hear my information. So you're gonna see a ton of footage that I shot all throughout the resort hotel, and I'm just gonna dig right in and talk about why we love Universal Orlando Resort's Hard Rock Hotel. So let's talk about the perks of staying at Universal's Hard Rock Hotel. I would say, first of all, don't forget like the normal premier perks you get at a Universal Orlando Resort Hotel. That would be your early access to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. All the Universal Orlando Resort hotels get that. But for premier resorts, you're gonna get that unlimited express pass, which is a really, really, really amazing thing. The unlimited express pass gives you not front of line access, but reduced line for every single ride, basically at Universal Studios Orlando and Islands of Adventure, except for two right now, which would be Hagrid's and Velocicoaster. Those are always either standby. Sometimes they do virtual queue. They haven't been doing that a lot right now. But those are the only two rides that Express Pass does not include. And then, of course, you have the complimentary water taxi transportation to and from City Walk to the Hard Rock Hotel. However, Hard Rock Hotel has a 5-minute walk basically right to Universal Studios Florida, which makes it like a 10-minute walk to Islands of Adventure. It is the easiest Universal Orlando Resort Hotel to get to the parks from. And it was amazing staying here for Halloween Horror Nights. We stayed here for Halloween Horror Nights, and that was amazing. Walking over there, we literally left our hotel at like 6:20. Got right in at like 6:30 for Halloween Horror Nights when it started, and when we decided to leave the park, we were back in bed like 20 minutes. But like literally walked 5 minutes, took a shower, went to bed, all that from the exit to the bed, 20 minutes. I take really fast showers. But 5 minutes walk, 15 minutes to shower, brush your teeth, and go to bed. The location really is awesome for Hard Rock Hotel. I really do love that. And then something else people don't know is like, I don't know if you want to call it a perk or amenity, but you can actually rent guitars to play in your room at Hard Rock Hotel. So that's really, really cool. Like, I don't know if a lot of hotels would be like, hey, can I rent a guitar to like jam out in my room? But they have a Body Rock, which is a gym, which is amazing. You guys know I do not like to go to hotels. Actually, I don't know if I ever go to a hotel anymore that doesn't have a gym. Okay, Disney I sometimes do because a lot of their moderate resorts and below don't have gyms. However, Universal Orlando, one thing I do really love about the Universal brand hotels is, or Lowe's hotels that are in partnership with Universal, is that they all have really great fitness facilities. So Body Rock has elliptical, it has free weights, it has some machines, it has treadmills. So really, really happy about that. Great amenity. queen room at Hard Rock Resort at Universal Orlando. So check it out while I show you the room. We're gonna show you the bathroom first. A sink, yay! So we don't have a double sink. However, it does have a bunch of counter space, which is absolutely fantastic. And we have a nice little makeup mirror. This is really cool. So this little embellishment over here, if you look over here, this is all drumsticks. These are all, and then we have our bathroom over here. Oh look, there actually is another sink in here, which is great. So you actually do have 2 sinks here. And then of course you have the shower situation. Let's check out the room. Oh, we got a closet, which is nice. We have a little bar with the mini fridge down here. And, ooh, I found cash. Where did that come from? All right, so this is the actual 2 queen part of the room. We do have a really pretty big television screen, which is really, really nice. I'm a little surprised this isn't wrapped in plastic. These were wrapped in plastic for a really long time because of COVID. This is nice though, because look at this desk area. You have these 2 really nice chairs to do your work situation here with plugs, which is really, really nice. And we actually have a garden view room. So if you look out the window, you can see the garden. You can see actually, that's the river right over the river. That's the, I don't know what you call it, the canal, the lake, the river that goes to City Walk. So you can walk, and we got these like rocker pillows, Peachman, yeah! Little accent things in here, and we have Be Nice and Quiet Please. And this is blood splatter for Halloween Horror Nights. No, it's not blood splatter. I think it's supposed to be just pink decoration. But oh look, they even left us a note that said hello. Hello. But over here, this is really cool. This is probably, might sound silly, but this is one of my favorite touches, is they actually have a mirror that has different people's height. And I don't think this mirror is right because I'm 6 feet, and this says I'm not even close to 6 feet. So I don't think this mirror is hung properly at all, because there's no way that Beyonce is almost my same height. She's 5'6", there's no way. But it has everybody's height based on how tall they are. The smallest person they have on here is Kristen Chenoweth. Oh my, Kristen Chenoweth isn't even 5 feet tall? I didn't know that. And the highest one is Snoop Dogg. Snoop Dogg is 6'4". So this is a 2 queen garden view room at Hard Rock Hotel at Universal Orlando. Thank you guys so much for watching one of our another amazing videos. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already, so you don't miss any of our amazing new videos. We are Magicland Vacations Disney and Universal travel planning experts. And make sure if you haven't already, check out our website, magiclandvacations.com. There you can schedule a consultation with one of our amazing experts. And guess what? We do way more than just Disney and Universal Vacations, so definitely want to check us out there. Also, make sure you go to our private Facebook group, Travel Genie Fan Club, where we do giveaways and trivia contests every single month. And of course, I have 2 other amazing videos for you to watch. One right over here and one right over there. One right there and one right there. I think I would start with that one, or maybe that one, or maybe that one.